Hey guys, so we're about ready to do another barbecue here. This time we're going to be making bratwurst, original bratwurst. This isn't Johnsonville. Um, it's a different brand. It's a party pack, 12 links here, and also we got some hot dogs going here as well. Because we're a big family. We got 5 people here, and then we got 12 links and uh, 8 hot dogs. So yeah. And I was like showing that I got the charcoal starter already started. I started that like 10 15 minutes ago, so it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, I also got some buns here, as you can see, just regular hot dog buns. However, I want to try um, warming the buns back there on the top rack, because I'm pretty sure you can. It's kind of like a bun warmer, think about it. So that will work out. So I'm gonna put the buns up on that rack just before those are done. Uh, so the hot dogs will go on just as these start to brown, because hot dogs don't take long. Okay, so this is ready, so we're going to dump her. I bought 2 of these because that they seem to be working really good, so of course. We only need 1 batch of these and we're good. So we don't need a big thing of coal. This takes both of this side. Oops, shit. Alright, 1 second, guys. Alright, easy fix. I just grabbed my glove and just pick it up. It just got too hot. That's why I kind of dropped it. We're going to close it up and so the grill can heat up and we'll get the brats going. Alrighty, so we're going to get these going. It should be hot enough. We want to hear a sizzle. So put them right here. I want to put them right over the coal that is hot. We're ready to turn them over. So I guess what I was supposed to do, this is supposed to be cross-sided. Like that. These ones I'll leave the way they are at, because I want to get the most amount of heat for these. These are definitely turning out really good. Okay. Leo's out here sitting with me, guys. He's been out here like every day since I've been cooking. He sits out here with me, waits till I get done. But when the food gets really close to done, he'll sit there. He'll be over closer by me or over by the grill. The key is trying to keep flipping these. That way you get a nice even sear on both sides. You can tell these ones are almost done. Ooh, almost lost on the ground. Damn it, stop rolling around. Leo would love that. So that's our side. Got get done like the same that on this side right here. You can see how I got that color. That's what we're looking for. And I'm gonna set them aside, and I'm gonna do the hot dogs then. So one thing I noticed, you have to look on when you see the smoke coming from all the vents right there, like you see right there. That's how you know that you got a good heat going on, so that's not cooling down. The only way it would cool down if you decide to close the vents, which that suffocates the fire and the smoke can't escape. So that's how you put the fire out. Right now we got all 4 vents open, so we're getting good airflow in there. So that's what's keeping the fire going. All right, so we're gonna move the bratwurst to the side so we can get the hot dogs going. We put them on here, like on the side. They should still able to get enough heat to cook if there's still a little bit of raw. It's not directly on the heat, but it's indirect. Not to mention these hot dogs are gonna get that flavor from these bratwurst from the grill. And now we got the room to put the hot dogs right here. I'm just gonna lay them right across like so. Alright, they should cook up pretty good. I'm gonna actually move those. Alright. Alright. So we're gonna check on the hot dog real quick. So about another 5 minutes with them, or at least I'm gonna put them at least 5 or 10 minutes. I want to make sure they're done okay. Like I said, these are gonna cook on their own way they are. They're not getting cooked any for. Well, they're getting cooked, but you know they're not getting, direct heat no more. All right, so I got the buns warming up here. I did off camera, so I do apologize because it took two hands to do that. So we're gonna flip these over again. I think we're gonna move these off, otherwise they're gonna get too hard. Hi Leo. See, I told you he's gonna be right over here as soon as the food stuff gets done. Yep.
Just think, she was saying they were throwing this away.
Yeah. Hey guys, so I got all the food cooked. I had company show up, that's why I kind of cut it short. So everything is all put out. The hot dogs just got done, so I wish I could show you guys the finished results for the bratwurst, but I do apologize. But yeah, that's going to be it for the video, guys. If you guys liked the video, please hit that like button, I appreciate it. And I thank you all for watching. Bye, guys.